Here's how to fix iPhone voice control. So I need to cover a bunch of different things. If you're new here and first time on Foxtecc, make sure you subscribe so you never miss anything important. Well, of course, the voice control is triggered differently. Like some people refer to the Siri voice assistant as the voice control. So that's something which you can use. And yeah, if you have the Siri turned off, you cannot really use the voice control in that sense. But other than that, we also have it part of the accessibility where you can go to the voice control. Literally, it has its own menu there, and you need to make sure that all of the things in here are set up properly. So if something doesn't work in here, make sure that it is turned on, that the language is set properly, that the vocabulary and commands are set up the way that it actually can recognize you, because sometimes you might be using the voice control and you are mentioning the phrases which don't get recognized. For example, some of the basic gestures are, see that you can tap on it scroll left or scroll right, and you can see that it is going to react when you mention the phrases scroll left or scroll page left. And also you can enter the amount of times. So it only works when you mention that particular phrase, right? So if you mention something different, then it may not work. So you have to kind of get familiar with it. But also, if it doesn't contain the phrases or actions which you like, you can always set up the custom gesture or custom command, which lets you set up the phrase of your own, and then also choose the action which you want. So you can also customize it to a very deep level. But yeah, if you still find that it doesn't work, you can go through the tutorial built in here. But you can as well just update your iPhone to the latest iOS, because the only change to it, or the only way to fix it or get the latest version of voice control, is by updating the entire iPhone. So that is what you will need to do. But other than that, I believe that it should work fine. If there is still some issue, let me know about it below in the comments. It's possible I'll make an updated video about it as well. Thanks a lot, and I'll talk to you later.